Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at something really special from FiiO. They're about to drop a new DAC that hits what I call the holy trinity of audiophile catnip. We're talking about an R2R DAC, a two-buffered output, and yes, those gorgeous mechanical VU meters, all packed into one unit called the R2R Warmer. And the best part, it's not priced into the stratosphere. First up, that R2R DAC circuit, unlike the Delta Sigma chips you find in most modern DACs, R2R uses precision resistor ladders to convert digital bits to analog voltages directly. FiiO's design uses 192 high-precision resistors. By default, it runs in non-oversampling or noise mode for a purist sound, but you can flick a switch on the back to engage oversampling, which upsamples everything to 380 for kilohertz. For connectivity, you get all the essentials: USB-C, optical, and coaxial inputs, with both single-ended RCA and balanced XL outputs. Next, let's talk about those tubes. You'll see for JJ88cc tubes. And they're not there for amplification. They're acting as a buffer stage. This means they're adding that lovely harmonic richness, those pleasant even-order harmonics that make instruments sound so much fuller and more lifelike. FiiO calls it a sweet, organic tube flavor. It's a hybrid design, so op-amps are still doing the heavy lifting for current and impedance, while the tubes just add their unique character. Powering it all is a chunky 46-watt low-noise toroidal transformer. Proper old-school stuff. And finally, the eye candy. Those twin backlit mechanical VU meters. Sure, digital meters are more precise, but there is something undeniably cool about watching those physical needles dance in real time with the music dynamics. It's a vibe that digital displays just can't replicate. Now, let's have a quick reality check. The combination of R2R and a tube buffer means this unit isn't built to win measurement contests. FiiO has already published the numbers, and the synod is around 65 decibels. This will make the measurement purists cry. But that's not who this product is for. FiiO is deliberately creating a device that sounds colored and euphonic. Complaining about that is like complaining your dog isn't a cat. This DAC is all about proving that not all DACs sound the same, and I have a feeling the R2R Warmer will make that point very, very clearly. So, what's the price for all this goodness? It's set at around €464, and you can get it in black or silver. I'm really excited to get my hands on one and hear how it sounds. What do you think? Is this the DAC you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more audio content. See you in the next one.